welcome back to another video. Today we have the Milwaukee against the DeWalt Power Detect. This is a Milwaukee fuel brushless. Because you guys requested it, we are doing it. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, so we got the XR. This is the DeWalt 20 volt XR hammer drill. This is the Power Detect with the handle, obviously. This is a 6 amp hour battery. This is what it used to come. Now it comes with an 8 amp hour battery. To make this fair, we're going to be doing 2 6s, by the way. This is fresh out of the charger. So 3 bars on this. We're going to be running on speed 3. Alright, talking about another beast. This is really compact. This is really nice. Smaller, a lot smaller than that. 2 speeds. We're going to be running this on speed 2. Drilling mode. Same thing with the other one, drilling mode. We got a 6 amp hour battery, high output battery. We still got 5 bars on it. Really like this little tool. Well, we're gonna go ahead and put these two together, test them out side by side, and let you guys know what's. To start here, we have the DeWalt. One back. Drilling, small hole right here, speed 3. One back, 1, 2, 3, go. No problem. You got a 7/8 spade bit. One, two, three, go. Alright, we got a Spider 1-inch bit. One, two, three, go. Alright, for our next test, we have a 4.5 by 1/2 inch lag. This thing is big, guys, huge. Like I always say in my videos, you guys shouldn't be doing this, but I'm doing it anyways for you guys. This is way too much stress on these drills. Or this is a 3/4 inch impact socket from Makita. One, two, three, go. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, go. Nope. We're going to be doing the speed 2. Taking it off. Starting fresh at speed 2. 1, 2, 3, go, go. Speed 2, guys. I would say the Milwaukee got in a little further. So take it off at speed 1. 1, 2, 3. Speed 1. Go. 1, 2, 3. Go. 3. Go. 1, 2, 3. Go. Speed 1. Alright, so it's in. Taking it off. 1, 2, 3, go. These drills are a beast, guys. These are a beast. They will take them off, put them on like nothing. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think about these tests. Well, what do I think about this? Well, I think this is a little torquey. It does have more torque on speed 2 and speed 1. This one seems to be a beast. Speed 1, speed 2. I really like both of these. I really like the compactness of the Milwaukee. The ratcheting chuck, really like the way it feels in this one. This one, you feel it, but it's not as much when you're ratcheting. Guys, let me know down in the comment section what tools would you want to see these against. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.